Why do 90% of Canadians live within 100 miles of the US border? Maybe it's because the rest of Canada is an untamed wonderland. Let's explore what makes it so awesome. Picture this. Waterfalls taller than Niagara. Lakes so big they look like oceans. And forests? Canada has more trees than there are people on Earth. Spot a moose? That thing's bigger than your car. Polar bears? Yep, Canada is their home turf. Oh, and don't forget the Northern Lights. Canada's night sky throws a better light show than any concert. From Rocky Mountains to wildflower meadows, every corner is a postcard. Want to see a beaver building a dam or a whale leaping out of icy water? Canada's got it all. So next time you think about nature, remember, Canada isn't just cold. It's mind-blowingly cool.